Hello everyone, what's up? How is everything going? This is Rahul from V4AI. Today we're gonna talk about how to set up the database on your system locally and add tables to it. So as you can see, I have started my SSMS SQL Studio management system, and I'll be management studio. So I'll be writing queries to add and create a new database in this. Just stay connected. I'll just show you the steps how to do that. Let's go to Google Chrome, and what I've done is I've just searched for adding a database to SQL Server. You can see that here's the link, and for creating a database, let's go to the documentation. We can see for creating a database, we have to open the SSMS, then we have to go to the Object Explorer, connect to an instance, right click the database and select new database, right? So what we are supposed to do is we have to right click this and we have to click new database, and yeah, we have to just mention the name. So SQL practice, right? Then what needs to be done? New database, enter database name. To create the database by accepting all default values, click OK, continue the following optional steps. Yeah, so we can just go ahead and press OK, right? Where is it? Yeah, here we go. So let's press OK, and I hope this will add. Yeah, so as we can see, the new database has been created, and in the tables we can simply go. Otherwise, we can just connect to it. The query for using this is use SQL practice, right? Okay. Yeah, so now we are connected to this database. Now it's time to create a new table. How can we do that? Let's go and figure out how to create a new table. Create table SQL. So we'll have to use create table query. What is the format? This is the format of create table query. So create table name, for just to test whether it's working or not. Let's try to execute create table test. Okay, let's copy this only. Okay, so I have added the details: person ID as int, last name varchar, first name varchar, address varchar. Let's try to execute this and see whether it adds a table or not. So it says that command has been executed. Yeah, so the test database has been created. In the columns you can see person ID, last name, first name, address, all these are there, and city as well. So our table has been created. Similarly, we can now add new table. So I'll be sharing the code that I'll be using for creating this table. It's down here in the description box. You can just copy the link and check uh, the whole query and execute it in your SQL Server. So here I have copy pasted the create table query, which I wrote it some time back. So what I have done is create table passengers, passenger ID int, it's the primary key, and then name varchar 50, and age int, departure city varchar 50, and arrival city another with varchar data type and of 50 length. Okay, so I think it's good to go. We can just simply go ahead and execute it, and this will create a new table in this. Let's try to see whether okay, yeah, so as you can see, a new table has been created. Now it's time to add data to it, because we want to ultimately query the data set, right? So here I have copied created 100. Here I am creating 100 rows and going to add in the passengers dataset. So let's try to execute this. Perfect. So 153 rows have been inserted to this, and now it's time to simply check whether the rows have been inserted properly or not. So let's try to query it this way. Yeah. So as you can see, we have all 153 rows listed here, and now we can go ahead and execute it. Like if we want to just see the average age of all the passengers, select average age as average age from dbo dot passengers. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, so now we can see the average age is 59. So this way you can just query and run the query the database on your end as well. If you face any challenges during the whole process, just let me know. I'll definitely be there to help you out, guys. Good luck, all the best. We'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up.